just uploaded the video for Vlogmas Day 11 and I'm about to edit. This is about half the number of video clips that I usually have. Didn't have a lot going on yesterday. I set my alarm yesterday for 5, but I think I got up around 4-ish. And then today I set my alarm for 3:30 and I woke up and started doing my stretches for my back. And then I woke up again at about 4:30. Oops. Oh, I hear somebody coming. Ooh, there it is. It's Beckman. Hi, Beckman. How are you? How you doing this morning, Bear? Where's your sister? She's still sleeping? But I went to bed around 11 last night, so I needed the sleep. I'm still hoping I can get this edited this morning before I leave for work because I much prefer getting these done in the mornings than doing it after work when I'm tired and have other things to do. Well, today is the last day of the 12 days of Christmas charities because today is Vlogmas Day 12. So the charity for today is your local women's center, and the point of this is to help people who don't have another place to be at the holidays, who are out of their own homes. So you could replace that with a homeless shelter or some kind of shelter for children. I'm saying the women's shelter because I used to volunteer at our local women's shelter. I was on the domestic violence hotline. They also had a suicide hotline. That was supposed to only be for employees. Oops, I just realized I have my glasses on, sorry. But you did sometimes get suicide calls on the domestic violence hotline too. So we were trained for all of that. Even if you don't assist with some kind of shelter, maybe you would consider reaching out to someone you know who might be having a rough time these holidays. Maybe they've lost someone, maybe they're dealing with something else. Reach out and let them know that they're not alone. A lot of people have difficulty in the holiday season with depression and other things. So I've put a mental health hotline, a website below if you want to check that out if you need a resource like that. And that's it for the 12 days of Christmas charities. The reflection question for today, my hair keeps falling on my face and it's really annoying. This is why I keep it back. That's why I keep it pulled back, because I don't like it falling on my face and constantly having to adjust it. It's really annoying to me. So the reflection question today is, what was your biggest breakthrough moment career-wise? In terms of teaching, there are lots of breakthrough moments with kids throughout the year. So there might be somebody that you're having some trouble with and you finally clicks what you can do to help that particular kid and get through to them, because it's different for each one and you never quite know. But I've been teaching for a while now, something like 7 years I think, so I feel pretty confident in that. What is new to me, and I don't think of it as a career, but YouTube. I don't know that I've had a breakthrough moment, but I have been putting a lot of effort into it this year and learning about it. And I do want to say, I keep talking about getting up so early, and several of you are telling me, you know, don't get up early, get your sleep and stuff. If I didn't enjoy it, I wouldn't be doing it. I decided to do Vlogmas kind of last minute, but as a challenge to myself. I enjoy challenging myself to do things that I haven't done before and that might be difficult, and especially if it's a creative challenge. I would really like to put a lot more creativity into this, but the time constraint is what's really holding me back there. As it is, as you know, I'm already getting up at 3:30. Last night I stayed up till 11, so I didn't get much sleep. So the creative part, I feel like, isn't as good as I could be doing. But I'm still enjoying the challenge. I'm surprised that I'm actually doing it every day, because when I started, I didn't think I would. I thought that it would be too hard and I would just stop, but I've kept with it and I'm proud of myself for that. And I hope the content is enjoyable enough for you. And if there's anything you want to see in particular, please, feel free to leave that stuff in the comment section. All right, let's do our advent calendar for today. So today's Vlogmas Day 12, which means we're doing door number 11 because it is December 11th. We're always a day behind on the advent calendar. Let's see. Do you guys see door number 11? Here it is. All right, this looks like a smallish door. And where's the little pokey thing? There's a pokey thing somewhere. There it is. All right, I'm gonna knock that over so I can get to it. Oh, it's not so small. Let's see what this is. We already have a bottle that looks like it, but this must be a different product. All right, I took my glasses off, gotta put them back on. Glasses are on, now I can read it. Of course you can't because it doesn't, the camera never focuses on it. This is a ultra rich shower cream by L'Occitane. So that sounds good. I don't use that stuff, but maybe I'll use it to try it, or maybe I'll put it in someone's stocking. We'll see. Here we go, a little bottle of shower cream. Let's scoot you over because I'm obsessively organized and you have to go right next to the bottle that looks like you. Bye, Vincent. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye, Roxy. Bye. I'll see you later. I love you, Roxy. Be a good girl. Bye, Baron. I'll see you later. Baron, hello. Bye. He's looking at food in the kitchen. The boyfriend just picked up the food bowls. He doesn't care that I'm leaving. I've been in PetSmart shopping now for a good 30 or 45 minutes because I have to look at everything in the store before I can make any decisions. And I just realized I haven't been filming. My apologies. So I'll show you what I've got in my basket and what everything is for. I'm going to a Dachshund Christmas party this weekend, and they're doing a gift exchange that's like $10. So here, I'm gonna have to back up and show you this because it's so long. Look at that. It's this cute little Dachshund, and I'm going over the limit a little bit because this is $13. But somebody at the Dachshund party is just gonna love that. And then we're doing a white elephant gifts at one of our family parties that has a $20 limit. So I'm getting this little moose guy with Velcro feet and a blanket. That's $15. And then I'm gonna add to that, I'll put some kind of basket together or something. This thing of toys, it has 8 different toys in it. And that was $7, so that goes just over the 20. And then these bags of Blue Buffalo dog treats are all only $3, so I got a whole bunch of them. See all those dog treats? And I'm gonna put one with the Christmas party, one with the basket, and then the rest I'll give one to every dog in the family. They have this whole bin of stuffed animals over there that you can buy for only $5, and then you can donate it to Texas Children's Hospital in the medical center here. And so I think I might do that. And if you've got a PetSmart near you, you can do that too. I got the dog, of course, donated that to the Children's Hospital. Poor little kid spending Christmas in the hospital. It's sad. Here we go. Hi guys. Hi Roxy. Hi Baron. Hi Roxy girl. You're gonna eat my hand? Hi Bear. Baron, you left me. Roxy didn't leave me. Roxy loves me. Hi Roxy. Oh, hi Bear. Hi Roxy. Are you ready for dinner? Are you ready for dinner? Baron's ready. Come on guys, let's get dinner. Here's Roxy's bowl and Baron's bowl. I'm being watched. And we have chicken stock left over from the recipes yesterday. So they get chicken stock instead of water. It's much more delicious. All right, guys, are we ready? Let's do this. Roxy. Baron. Happy dinner, guys. Hi, Vincent. Hi. How are you? The potato soup I made last night, I'm having for dinner tonight. Put some cheese, some bacon bits that the boyfriend made last night, and some chives that I just chopped up, which are all part of the recipe, so it's included in that 5 Weight Watchers points. So it should be pretty delicious. Just the soup base was delicious, so to add this stuff will be extra delicious. I'm planning to make this peppermint bark quick bread tonight from Williams-Sonoma, and I got the butter out to get to room temperature, like I didn't do last night because I didn't read the instructions first. I have to confess, I bought this on clearance after last Christmas, so back in December or January a year ago. There's not an expiration date on it. I figure that since they're all dry ingredients, it'll be fine, but if you don't see a Vlogmas from me in the next few days, call the authorities. Also, this worries me a little. These are supposed to be peppermint pieces. They melted. Won't be using that. I got my first gift from a student of this season. I'm going to show you what I got. I already opened it at work earlier, and it's lovely. There's this cute little box. It's a little butterfly-shaped soap. Isn't that pretty? And then there are these two. This is like a chapstick lip balm. And then this one, I'm gonna guess it's the same thing, it just has some color to it. But my favorite thing in the bag is this. Some backyard unfiltered raw honey. I just love fresh local honey. It's one of the best things on the planet. This is a fantastic gift, I love it. I won't say the student's name for privacy reasons, but thank you so much. And if the parents are watching, thank you so much too. Looks good. It's got little chocolate chip pieces in it. While that's in the oven, I'm going to get started on some gift wrapping. Oh, I don't know how much I'll be able to do, but I want to show you. Hi, Baron. I'm followed everywhere I go. He stalks me. He's my stalker. I want to show you behind my closet door. I have a bunch of stuff, but some of it is gift wrapping supplies. So these are the recycled gift bags that I showed you the other day. And there's some boxes that I'm saving to put gifts in, and some folding boxes for treats, and folding boxes there. And then I have a bunch of tissue paper. A lot of that is recycled too. Some bows, and then these two boxes, those are full of ribbon. Hello again, Baron and Roxy. Everywhere I go. Alright. Ribbon. Go ahead and take the lids off these so we can see what we've got. Bows. Tissue paper. More bows. Scotch gift wrapping tape. And my holiday decor is in burgundy, gold, and ivory. So I picked out papers that go with that theme. Got this one that says Christmas upside down. This one, of course, because of that right there. And it has other dogs too, but you know, that's the important one. And then this one, which is more of a maroon, but it works. And I think they all work together, and when things are wrapped, especially with ribbons and stuff, that'll all work really nicely and the colors will coordinate. I think that's everything I need to wrap. By the way, I don't think I've told y'all this. There was one Christmas, this would have been, gosh, 15 or 20 years ago, where I worked. There used to be an FAO Schwartz here in Houston. It was right across the street from the Galleria. And I worked there one Christmas season, one holiday season, as a gift wrapper upstairs. So I have a couple of little tricks that you may or may not already know to help make your packages look a little bit more professional. I'm gonna be there wrapping for a while. So I'm gonna pour some champagne. This is an almond champagne from a Texas winery called Flat Creek Cellars. And I call it champagne, but it's sparkling because of course champagne is only from Champagne, France. Best sound in the world. This is a champagne sealer. They work so well. This one is by Metrocane, and I'll link it below for you, or I'll link the updated version. This is an older one. It keeps it bubbly for days. It's amazing. Cheers. What happened? This one seems to be cut into smaller sheets. What's going on here? It is weird. What on earth? I've never seen such a thing. I hope they're not all like that. Okay, it looks like the dog's is normal. Here's tip number one. When you have a box with some clean edges, something to do to make it look more professional when you're wrapping it is to pinch the edges to crease that edge. And it gives it a more polished look. Tip number 2, when you have an edge of the paper that's going to show, fold it over just a little, like an inch or whatever seems appropriate, like this. And then you have a cleaner edge to tape it down. And again, it just looks a little more professional. Tip number 3, tape is your friend. When you're folding over the edges like this, use small little squares of tape to hold these ends down. So when they stay out of your way, and 2, when you go to fold the other side back up, it doesn't start folding in weird ways and interfere with what you're trying to do. Tip number 4, when you're folding the end, don't just fold it up like that. Fold it over, just like we did with the other flap, and try to get it where it's centered in the middle so your crease falls right down the middle of the box. Yes, it takes some extra time, but it looks nicer. And there you have it. Uh-oh. The dogs are upside down. Oh, crud. All that work and the dogs are upside down. Wrapping fail. That's okay, nobody knows what's in the box. I'll just wrap it up like this is the top, or like it's supposed to lay down like this. Oops. And first I'm gonna wrap everything and then I'll go back with bows and stuff. Probably won't do the embellishments tonight because that'll take a lot of extra time and I already have a lot to do. Another tip, when you're putting something in a box and wrapping it with tissue paper, do it like Vuitton and all the other nice stores do, and fold that edge over again and then put some kind of nice decorative sticker there to keep it in place. And see how nice that looks? Here's the completed cake bread thing. Vincent said, whoa. I don't know, Vincent. I think that was probably a bad whoa. I need to get my sister, the professional cake decorator, to give me some tips because this is not very pretty. Haven't tasted it yet, but it smells really good. The icing tastes good. I tasted that a little bit. Good night, little guys. Roxy, you're going to stay here, but Baron's going to come to bed. Sorry, Roxy. Someday soon you'll be able to sleep with us again.